Good morning. A fantastic idea followed by accused. How to get rid of the cases. Very hard-handed criminal who seems to have indulged in grave cases made an attempt to get away with the case. It's a case where it went up to Supreme Court and he was granted bail after having committed perjury. AR 2021 Supreme Court 1428 Naveen Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Here actually he was facing charges for offences 461, 471 and was granted bail. Actually he there was a trial against several persons and the respondent, second respondent was one of the accused. What he had done when the cases were tried, some of the accused were acquitted, but this second respondent accused was found absconding. However, after obtaining copy of judgment in respect of other accused, he added the name of the second respondent, and with that he also got acquitted for the Gangsters Act case. After that, it was found that the manipulation was detected. He was granted, he was arrested, and he was inside. Therefore, bail application was again filed. Lower court dismissed, the High Court convicted him. The High Court granted him bail. So that resulted this case to be forwarded to Supreme Court, wherein the Supreme Court has cancelled the bail. Apart from the facts and law and gravity of the offence, there was another objection that the petitioner have no locus standi to present application for cancel of bail. But however, the Supreme Court held that since he was the person who filed the writ petition to file case against him, therefore the locus standi is not materialized point for objection. Therefore, the case was allowed. This much you only for your information. Actually, what had happened some 20-25 years back, Supreme Court judgments were manipulated to obtain life convicts on bail. That time, the intelligent counsels who fabricated the documents and the Supreme Court judgment mentioned the name of the counsel as Dr. C. Krishnamurthy. And this was referred to division bench held by Justice T.S. Arunachalam. He simply said his name was deliberately added only for the purpose of some ulterior motive. Therefore, I have not even called to explain. This what had happened. Therefore, be careful in approaching the court order. And the one important case you must take note that why 340 CRPC was not followed, because this manipulation was after obtaining the order from the court. The manipulation was outside the court proceedings. If it is within the court proceedings, 340 CRPC would arise. Here there is no question of manipulation within the court proceedings, but fabrication of document. Therefore, he was convicted. Offense 420, 460, 460, 470, 120B. All these things you can go to this first. Again, I request all to strictly maintain your food regulations. Avoid taking cold items, avoid using AC, and also avoid roaming unnecessarily and mingling with the public, uh, so that you are safe in home. And also uh, maintain psychological balance, that medicines alone is not sufficient for treating disease or whatever may be. Your balance of mind, positive thinking alone would help you. If your mind is disturbed, kindly inhale and exhale few times like this. If you does that for few minutes, your mind will be totally blank about your earlier thinking, and you will be stable to do your next work, which is uh, your regular work. That is most important. And if you have some body pain, you can also do that. It is not easy for everybody to do this by holding this hand like this for count 10 times to 100 times as much as possible, and again like this. You can do this 10 times. If you are not able to hold hands like this as I did, but you can hold as much as possible, even like this also. Or if your hands are not, you can do this. But this uh, shoulder should be straight. Then if you does this by walking or standing, this will be most important to get a relief of all your body pain, head pain, all other pains, relaxation of nerves, etc., etc. Other thing is that if you are not getting sleep, you can simply lay down supine pose. Supine pose means your head should be down the earth. Then your legs, fingers, the big fingers, first finger, you can slowly rub the eyes of that fingers, slowly rub both the legs, eyes, where nail is there. I am not in a position to explain in appropriate anatomical term. If you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, you may go deeply sleep, discontinue your counting. That may be your best experience. But one thing, my humble request is, if you have to urinate, you do it immediately, whatever may be the time, and do not feel lazy to urinate. And also, if you have some motion problems, you do it, and then immediately do not go to sleep. Wait few minutes, thereafter you go to sleep. And all this except is inhale and exhale. The yoga exercise must be done only with the empty stomach. Empty stomach means after clearing your urine and motions. Otherwise, that may give you lot of problems also. And particularly, instead of taking bottled juice, try to take natural juice. That will be far better. And take foods always, 1 or 2 foods whenever necessary. And kindly advise others also, do not rush to hospital for every count of defects. Try to manage it, and be affectionate with your elders, listen their advice, And also my advice also, I am also elder, 67 years old, having lot of experience, lived in various parts of India, had lot of experience with mingling with the people. Best wishes.